Bird habitats. Part 1. Bird habitats are areas with ecological and environmental characteristics where species have adapted over thousands of years to find food, water, shelter, and mates for reproduction. Semi-arid boulder-strewn hillsides with sparse plants. Cinnamon-breasted warbler. Arid, open gravel plains. Sclater's lark. Open ocean. Wandering albatross. Reeds and bulrushes in standing water. Lesser swamp warbler. Clumpy montane grasslands. Yellow-breasted pipit. Permanent water with water lilies. African pygmy goose. Drakensberg escarpment and foothills. Bearded vulture. Estuarine forests in KZN and the Transkei, and lowland forest in Mozambique. Mangrove Kingfisher. Coastal and Afro-montane forests. Yellow-streaked Greenbul. Slow-flowing streams with overhanging branches. African Finfoot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.